Welcome to a new lesson. Today we are going to talk about adjectives we use to describe our emotions. It's important to know how we feel and express it in English. We're going to learn 25 adjectives that help you talk about your feelings in different situations. Let's get started. Section 1, Positive Emotions. Let's start with some adjectives to describe positive emotions, the ones that make us feel good. 1, joyful. I feel joyful when I see my friends. 2, grateful. They are grateful for his teacher's help. 3, content. She is content after finishing her homework. 4, hopeful. I feel hopeful about the future. 5, cheerful. We are cheerful when the sun is shining. Section 2, negative emotions. Now, let's talk about some emotions that don't feel so great but are important to know. 1, anxious. She is anxious before a test. 2, furious. They are furious when someone is mean. 3, disappointed. He is disappointed when his team loses the game. 4, frustrated. She is frustrated when she can't solve a problem. 5, embarrassed. He is embarrassed when he makes a mistake. Section 3, mixed or neutral emotions. Finally, there are emotions that are not completely good or bad. These are mixed or neutral feelings. 1, confident. She is confident when he speaks in class. 2, insecure. She feels insecure about her new haircut. 3, relieved. They are relieved after the exam is over. 4, surprised. He is surprised by her birthday party. 5, tense. I am tense before a big game. Now you know 25 adjectives to describe emotions. Use these words with your friends or in class to express how you feel. Practicing how to talk about your emotions will help you feel more comfortable in English. See you in the next lesson!